Hey, what's going on, my crypto trading brothers and sisters? Okay, I want to do an update here very quickly. I apologize I did not bring you an update. My Monday update is usually a lot earlier in the morning, but I got sidetracked. I had a lot going on, so I apologize for the late update. But again, that's okay in this case because a lot has happened that I want to talk about. Number one, Bitcoin hit support for the 18th time. That long trending black ascending trend line that we see there, that has been touched for the 18th consecutive time today. In fact, we broke below that and seemed to have capitulated a bit and then came back up and have formed a nice hammer candle pattern. All right. 39,300 seems to be a very good support for the last 3 weeks, and we just have not been able to close and confirm anything below that. My sneaking suspicion tells me this might be it, guys. So let's jump to the chart and talk about all that has happened. Again, I'm going to keep this update fairly short. Number one, this bear flag that I drew out, that has played out. All right. So we came down, touched our 39,300 support, and that was about 2 weeks ago, and then came up and touched the top of our 42,900 resistance, and then came all the way back down again. And actually today, let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Not only did we break below this long trending support, but we had a perfect touch on this purple descending trend line. So what has happened here is just actually perfect from a technical viewpoint. This is just perfect price action. We broke to the upside of this descending trend line. We had to come back down, revisit that, and test that as support in the patented kiss mama goodbye move. And here's where I think we're going next. Up, up, up. Now, do I have lots of good reasons to suspect we'll go up? Yes, I don't know that I really reviewed in my mind what those reasons were before I started this video, but the big thing here, guys, is all of this up and down sideways action. All right, we went up and down, touched the top side of this flag, bottom side, top side, bottom side, top side, bottom side, top side, broke above it, came back down, touched the bottom side again. All of that sideways action, that tends to shake out the weak hands. So those traders that don't have conviction, they're in this to make money, they don't really believe in crypto, etc., etc. Those are what I call the weak hands. There's a lot of those in the crypto space right now, right? They're just trying to make a quick buck, but they don't really have the real conviction and belief behind crypto like the long-term hodlers might. So these weak hands, after so much of this tumultuous up and down swing price action, their stomachs can only handle so much and they're out. And I feel like that has kind of been the biggest factor in me determining that this is about it, guys. We're not going to have much more sideways action before Bitcoin starts to take off. Now, this long-term, multi-year ascending support has held 18 times. I did not want us to test it again, but we did once here and once here, and it still continues to hold, still acting as good support. Additionally, this 39,300, this purple level here I've got drawn there, we've been sitting right on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days out of the last two and a half weeks. So that's a good sign. And then today, I think we've really capitulated here. I think sellers capitulated And, buyers came in, stepped in with pretty good volume. I mean, the volume is not looking that bad right now. And has formed this nice hammer candle pattern. So all of these are signs showing me that not only has the price action played out from a technical perspective, like on cue, right the way I want to see it, but all of these indicators are showing me that Bitcoin is most probably, remember, technical analysis is a statement of probability. It's not a promise. But most probably the price action now starts to move up. So let's hope that is the case. I really don't have anything else that I want to talk about. I mean, it's good that we're seeing the VIX following again, and the dollar remains strong. So obviously that weighs down on the markets and spills over into the crypto space. This dollar needs to take a rest, in my opinion, but it is what it is, and that weighs in on the market. And I have a feeling that's also increasing the VIX. We have had a big spike over the last 3 days, and today we dropped a little bit. But that VIX and dollar, if we can see both of those things come down over the course of the next few days, that will give our stock indexes and the crypto space the break that it needs so that it can continue its upward momentum. Let's have a look at our Bitcoin dominance chart as well, see what's going on here. I haven't looked at this in quite a while. Ooh, that's interesting. So we have a colliding together and intersecting of the 100-day, 200-day, and 50-day moving average all at the same point. All right, so what that tells me, or what that might mean for us in the crypto space, is that even though Bitcoin could be strong over the next couple of days, it looks to me like altcoins will be even stronger, because once Bitcoin dominance comes up here and it hits its head on this area of confluence, it's not going to just go straight through that. So that indicates to me that even though I suspect Bitcoin will go up soon, we might have just a little bit more sideways action while altcoins get their chance to pump a bit. All right, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts here for this week. We'll see what happens. We have to continue to watch this closely. I've always said this, and I'll say it again. I could always be very wrong about all of this, and it's possible. I got to remember the camera's up there. Sorry, guys. It's possible that we do break that long trending support finally. After hitting it 18 times, that actually wouldn't surprise me either. I hope that doesn't happen, but we'll see. The other thing we're looking at here, guys, is on our RSI. We're up into resistance again. Now we hit that going up once here, and now we're hitting it again. We really have to break above that, significant resistance before I'm comfortable, outright proclaiming that we're going to go up. Still in lots of uncertainty and uncertain territory down here in near our support line. So we got to watch that closely. All right, that is my update for today. Let's do our outro. All right, guys, as I've said, we cannot continue to flirt with our support. Bitcoin must make a move up soon. I suspect it will. Support has held. Our bear flag has completed. That's the small bear flag that I was talking about right here. And we saw a solid move up today with pretty good volume to end the day with our nice hammer candle pattern. And sellers seem to have capitulated on that wick down. So let's see what happens tomorrow and what the rest of the week holds. But so far, we're looking, in my opinion, pretty good, guys. So cross your fingers. We'll talk to you again on Friday. Oh, by the way, this week's hotness, I'm going to do that one tomorrow, I believe. All right, so look for that video tomorrow. And until then, we'll see you in the next video. Peace, y'all.